Write a statement that indicates that the triangles are congruent. So when you're writing out a congruency statement, you're going to say triangle blah is congruent to triangle blah. It's important that it doesn't matter which letter you start out with. So if I start out with D, I have to make sure that the order I put it in has the thing that corresponds to D. D has 3 lines attached to it. I guess that's an I has 3 lines attached to it, so D and I correspond to each other. So over here, if we pick a different letter, and it doesn't matter which letter that you pick, it doesn't matter the order if it's just a triangle. So if we go with C, C has 2 hoopy things attached to it, so does H, so C and H correspond to each other. Last but not least, I only have 1 letter left, so I have B, which matches up with G, B, and G, and we can say that triangle DCB corresponds and is congruent to triangle IHG in that order. Now, the reality is we have an infinite amount of, not an infinite, like 4 or 5 ways, that maybe 6 ways that we can write this out. I can write this out as CBD is congruent to HGI, or I could do BCD is congruent to GHI, as long as D matches up with I, C matches up with H, and B matches up with G. It's all good as long as you put things in the corresponding order.